What would forgiveness allow you to do? Would it allow you to have deeper connections with other people? Would it allow you to trust? Would it allow you to feel better in your own skin? We withhold forgiveness because we think, if I forgive that person, I'm setting myself up for it to happen again. I'm a sucker. I'm going to be duped and blindsided again. It's also this sort of power dynamic where it's like, you know what, I'm going to withhold forgiveness so I ensure that you know how much pain I'm in. And you know what it does? It hurts you. So I write about it in Trust Again. And one of the things, I said why it's so hard and why it's so transformative. So it's chapter 12 of Trust Again. And it is. And you know what it is too? It's also a word until you do it. And that's why we're doing it together. I'm hosting a 21-day forgiveness journey because this is going to be a social experiment. I want to see, is it possible to move from angry, bitter, and resentful to more forgiving and free with intention and group support? We're going to see together. So hosting this 21-day journey in honor of National Forgiveness Day, which is September 1st. So check the link in my bio and join us because it's hurting you. It's keeping you angry and stuck and sick and sad, and it's suppressing your immune system, and it's keeping weight on. I mean, it's accelerating your aging. It's doing so many things, and you deserve so much better than that. And here's the thing too, that person who hurt you may not know, care, remember, they may not even be alive. So can you imagine you doing all this damage, hurting yourself for something that someone on the other end may not even be aware of, may not care, anything else. So I'm not saying you're condoning anything. I'm not saying you even have to have a relationship with that person again. I'm just saying it's time to release the power that pain has over you. But because I know how hard it is, we're doing it together. So join me for our social experiment. It starts on September 1st, and you'll learn all about the details. So hope you join me there.